Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to publish a landing page or website of Lovable ad. But before I continue, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So here we created in the previous video this prompt to send it to Lovable to create a speller link page, and here it is landing page created of Lovable here. Now to publish your landing page or website, head over to publish it, click on that button. And here you have this website where just copy it, and you can add a custom domain. So click on copy this and open this link on your tab. Let's copy this again and over to the new tab. The Lovable .app, and here as you see our landing page is successfully can be published here. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment.